My name is Emma.
My name is Julia.
And today we will be showing you how to make guacamole. And we just got home from school and everybody likes a snack after going home from school. So today we will show you how to make some. Let's go. So the ingredients that you need are, you need your avocados. And you also need your lemons.
Lemon lime.
You will need some tortilla chips. It doesn't matter what kind you get, but all you need is tortilla chips.
And you need salt,
pepper, and spoons, forks, and knives. So the first thing that and you need a bowl. The first thing that you're gonna do is get your little knife, and if it has a sticker on it, you just gotta peel it off.
Walk your potato.
Can you help me? Oh, I got it. I got the hang of it. And so, get your knife and start cutting it. Okay, now, my moms, we had a little trouble, so Mom help us. And don't use knives, but your mom has to say yes to it before you use it. And then you're gonna peel it apart until it looks like that. And then you're gonna get your knife.
Look what just happened! Okay, I'm gonna show you close up. Look what just happened to my house.
So you gotta take your avocado and put it in your bowl. Your avocado. Mine is going good.
Remember, you take.
Let's take this.
Remember, you take the spoon. You take the spoon. Remember.
Okay, so we're just getting our avocados.
Yep.
In the little bowl.
I know, I'm like smushing it.
You're smushing it, and then once you get all the avocado in your bowl, you're gonna throw this part away. And then next, you're gonna take your little. You're gonna take your knife. And then you're going to start squishing it until it looks all mushy. We're still squishing it, but now we're going to make our lime. I found out a perfect way how to smash it. You just take the bottom of your fork and then on your avocado, you just spread it. Spread it. Now we're squeezing the limes. Okay. Hi guys, we're back. And my mom's going to help me to squeeze the lemons because see if I can squeeze that one.
Because you have to do it with ganas.
Nice and mushy.
Okay, that smells definitely
Yeah, it looks so good. And now for the last finishing touch.
Salt and pepper.
And remember what we told you at the end. Remember, tell us what's your favorite snack at the end.
Yeah, and make sure your mom lets you use your knife. Oh, it smells yummy.
Oh yeah, it does. It smells like avocado already. Okay.
I'm gonna add salt and pepper.
And then,
you just need it.
And then remember what we told you. Don't use knives.
Give you like a close-up look.
That's a close-up look of the real guacamole as a muffin. Now it's time to taste our creation.
No, whatever on that. Okay, I'm gonna get.
So you're gonna get this.
Guacamole,